Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a table, this one in this bag in fact, and it might look bulky and unwieldy, but believe it or not, this is a very lightweight table. Now, at the beginning of the year, Juliet and I went to the Manchester Show, and the company Brunner had a stand there, and we looked at this table. We've been wanting to change ours for a while. Our old one's gone to Les and Carol. Anyway, we had a look at this one and I picked it up and I couldn't believe how lightweight it was, but yet how big it was as well and how useful it is. For the likes of having Alfie, me and Juliet, this table ticks all the boxes for us because it's lightweight, it's easy to transport, and it'll sit all three of us comfortably around it without feeling cramped, with some spare room. So I purchased it myself from the actual stall at the Manchester Show, and today I'm going to show you what it is I've purchased and what I like about it, and maybe it might be something that you may be looking for at this moment in time. So let's check it out. So first of all, let's just talk about the bag. It's a nylon bag. It's not heavy duty, but it's not a thin flimsy one either. It fits it perfectly, and it's ideal for carrying it and storing it when you're not using it. Let's get it out of the bag and I'll show you how you operate it. So straight out of the bag, this is what you're left with, which is a hinged section here. Now if you open that hinge up like so, it gives you a full flat table surface, a lot wider than your conventional ones. And like I said before, I can't emphasize this enough really, it is a very lightweight table. So what we have on the other side is we have the adjustable legs, and we have some locking arms as well. Now these are made of alloy, so they're very lightweight and they're not going to rust neither. So I'll put it on the floor now and I'll show you how to set the legs up and lock it into position. So to set the table up, it's quite simple. First of all, you have these two swinging locking arms, so we're going to lock those into position like so, and then we've got the legs themselves. These pull up and then lock into position with that section there. Now the leg itself is adjustable and it has two heights on it, and they have a ball bearing to retain it. So we slide it up, and into its first position we have it set for what I would call coffee table height. The second position is the actual table height itself, and they do have adjustable feet, so if you're on an uneven surface you can actually set them up nice and neatly. So let's get all the four legs up and I'll show you a little bit more. So all our four legs are nicely locked into position now, and we can turn the actual table over. It's very quick and easy to do, and we've now got a big flat surface. So that was our lightweight, easy to fold and easy to store Brunner table. We're going to be testing this throughout the season, as we do with any product we actually take a look at. Like I say, we purchased this with our own money, so it's not a sponsored video in any way, shape or form. We just wanted to show you what we purchased and let you know if it's going to be any good as we go through the season. Well, thank you very much for watching. I do hope you'll join us again real soon, but in the meantime, bye for now.